this day, we're gonna have fun. Don't make plans, get ready to run. Monday morning, get out of bed and come with us instead. Come on out and get in the car. Time to change whoever you are. Weekday cares are lost on the road. We're on our way at last. Only yesterday seems like yesterday. Only yesterday you showed me how to live. Only yesterday seems like yesterday. Only yesterday you showed me how to give. Once this car is out on the road, horseless carriage does what it's told. Sunday driver's perfect control. We found our speed at last. Never going home, never going home, never going back the way we came. Never gonna see, never gonna feel that place again. Party all in your head. Roadside banner, gotta be fed. Sign says nowhere, go right ahead. We're on the road again instead. Looks like sundown off to the west. Halfway there I have to confess. Let's switch seats and I'll take a rest. We'll drive throughout the night on the road again. The long road ahead calls me all again. Will it ever let us go on the road again? That long road again calls me all again. Will it ever let me know?
Birthday party all in your head. Roadside diner, got to be fed. Sign says nowhere, go right ahead. We're on the road again instead. Looks like sundown off to the west. Halfway there I have to confess. Let's switch seats and I'll take a rest. We'll drive throughout the night on the road again. The long road ahead calls me on again. Will it ever let us go on the road again? That long road again calls me on again. Will it ever let me know? Birthday party all in your head. Roadside diner, gotta be fed. Sign says nowhere, go right ahead. We're on the road again instead. Looks like sundown off to the west. Halfway there I have to confess. Let's switch seats and I'll take a rest. We'll drive throughout the night on the road again. The long road ahead calls me on again. Will it ever let us go on the road again? That long road again calls me on again.
come with us instead.
After all the moving round, people always left behind, those I never could replace. Some things vanish without a trace, and if I sometimes forget a face, some thought lost can still be found. The things we discovered then were new, but now we can't pretend it's true. All the shop windows and displays, mannequins dress up upon that day. They'll stand there and pose all night, model shapes that represent what we thought was heaven sent. After it rains, it's so green. Right from the start we should have seen. We lived our thoughts and then we dreamed how long we fought our way upstream. And now it's back, this common theme. Maybe the last friend you'll ever need. Maybe at last a love redeemed.
After it rains, it's so green. Right from the start we should have seen. We lived our thoughts and then we dreamed how long we fought our way upstream. And now it's back, this common theme. Maybe the last friend you'll ever need. Maybe at last a love redeemed. comes the rain again, I feel. Sometimes I wonder who's to blame. But if you really want the truth, you can simply say my name. Last night I slipped and I saw your face. Seems like it shouldn't now appear, since you didn't really care. I stopped looking everywhere. You might have misconstrued my thoughts, and after all the times we fought, we found tiny hidden spots, given so much more than we got. Hardship was nickel-plated, baptized with filling later. My space was integrated, the whole ball of wax. Gemstones tumbled smooth, mannerisms that you can't lose. Same game, different rules. Freeze plug got me stuck again. Here comes the pain that I can't hide. You can say that I never tried. Without the truth that makes it right, without the strength to even fight. Here comes that lost and lonely day. There goes the rarefied like air. A kind of trouble without a name, with its special kind of pain. Let's count the reasons not to stop. Invent the colors in the dark. And if we try hard not to care, we can be sure that nothing's there. Champions, they'll tell the tale. Their banners only slightly faded. Time now to lift the veil and see the girl that lies beneath. The rain falls down your face, the clouds they wheel into place. Can you see what's seldom seen? Can you dream the impossible dream?
comes the rain again, I feel. Sometimes I wonder who's to blame. But if you really want the truth, you can simply say my name. Last night I slipped and I saw your face. Seems like it shouldn't now appear, since you didn't really care. I stopped looking everywhere. You might have misconstrued my thoughts, and after all the times we fought, we found tiny hidden spots, given so much more than we got. Hardship was nickel-plated, baptized we'll fill in later. My space was integrated, the whole ball of wax. Gemstones tumbled smooth, mannerisms that you can't lose. Same game, different rules. Freeze plug got me stuck again. Here comes the pain, but I can't hide. You can say that I never tried. Without the truth that makes it right, without the strength to even fight. Here comes that lost and lonely day. There goes the rarefied like air, a kind of trouble without a name, with its special kind of pain. Let's count the reasons not to stop, invent the colors in the dark. And if we try hard not to care, we can be sure that nothing's there. Champions, they'll tell the tale. The banner's only slightly faded. Time now to lift the veil and see the girl that lies beneath. The rain falls down your face, clouds, they wheel into place. Can you see what's seldom seen? Can you dream the impossible dream? Hardship was nickel-plated, baptized we'll fill in later. My space was integrated, the whole ball of wax. Gemstones tumbled smooth, mannerisms that you can't lose. Same game, different rules. Freeze plug got me stuck again.
comes the pain, but I can't hide. You can say that I never tried. Without the truth that makes it right, without the strength to even fight, here comes that lost and lonely day. There goes the rarefied light air, a kind of trouble without a name, with its special kind of pain. Let's count the reasons not to stop. Invent the colors in the dark. And if we try hard not to care, we can be sure that nothing's there. Champions, they'll tell the tale, their banners only slightly faded. Time now to lift the veil and see the girl that lies beneath. The rain falls down your face, the clouds they wheel into place. Can you see what's seldom seen? Can you dream the impossible dream?